I'm Grumps. I'm not so Grump. And we're the Game Grumps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 little steps.
Okay, sure.
3, 2, 1, action.
Nice.
All right.
Okay.
What's next?
We got woman steps into boat, sits down and puts items down. Okay, I got a bag.
Okay. Here, hand me that Lego box.
She's carrying around Legos with her.
Okay. I'm in the boat.
Solid gold.
That's gonna sound really good. What we got next? What we got next?
That's a basket with a baby in it.
Celery.
For the baby?
Bag of celery. Here, you take the baby.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes.
Thank you, Father.
Let me just unhook this and get in the boat. Man pushing dock with paddle.
Oh, skateboard. That's great.
Skateboard's good. Oops. Too early.
Single paddle row in water.
Yes.
Here's your water bowl, bro.
Now we can use the spoon.
Very gentle. Very gentle.
Print it. We got it. Next.
3, 2, 1, action.
Girl, who's ran? That's pretty good, though, right?
I think we got it. I think we nailed it. And we're back. It's later. Johnny edited a bunch of stuff. Thank you. How long did this take you to put together?
45 minutes.
Wow, not bad, man.
And it only took us about 45
It took
minutes.
us an hour. Took us an hour. All right, let's see what we got.
Ready? Here we go.
Here we go. Hey, I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes.
Okay.
Thank you, Father.
I'm in the boat.
Don't worry about it. Hey.
Yeah.
Take my fucking bag. Why are there fish? Just a thing for baby. He'll be so hungry.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
Okay.
It looked so legit.
Okay. 10 points to us.
Yeah.